In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit videos in Canva. Even if you're completely new to Canva, don't worry. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can feel confident creating and editing your own videos. First, open Canva and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top or center of the screen and click on the button that says Create. This is where you start any new design in Canva, including videos. After you click Create, you'll see a search bar. Here, type in the word video. Canva will show you several video options, such as standard video dimensions or formats for different platforms like social media. Pick the option that best fits what you want to make. For example, if you're creating something for YouTube, you might choose a standard video size. Once you've chosen, select that design to open a new video project. Now that your blank video design is open, you have two main choices. You can upload your own video clips, or you can work from Canva's templates. If you already have your own footage, look for the Upload option on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Upload to bring in your video files from your computer. Wait for them to finish uploading, and then drag them directly onto the canvas or into the timeline below to start editing. In this example, let's say you want to make things even easier by starting from a template. On the left side, find the section that shows templates, and choose a video template that matches the style or mood you're going for. Click on a template, and Canva will automatically apply it to your design. This gives you a ready-made structure with scenes, text, and sometimes music already built in. From here, you can start editing your video. Replace any placeholder clips with your own video by dragging your uploads onto the existing scenes. Double-click on text to change the wording, adjust fonts, or update colors to match your brand. You can trim clips in the timeline, rearrange scenes, and add transitions with simple drag-and-drop actions. When you're happy with how everything looks and plays back, you're ready to export. Click on the download or export button, choose your video quality, and let Canva process your final video. That's all it takes to start editing videos in Canva, from creating a new project to choosing templates and customizing them to fit your needs.